let you carry that. This is your team.
It's all you.
You record what you want to record. It's got night vision on it, so it should be. It's got that radar thing on it, so you should be able to see, like in that room where it's dark. I say that, and my IR probably don't work. Here, let me see your. I turned on your night vision. I'm walking right past him. I'm glad you remember.
No, you're good.
Sickly bridge thingy.
Whoa! This is supposed to be.
Polka dots all in the room.
That's my voice recorder. All right, we're going to Biohazard 2.
Yeah, the very end.
Okay.
So you gotta walk up that ramp.
I do have it. The flashlight.
Yes.
Oh wait, no, you got it.
I got my phone.
I got it.
Oh, here with the GoPro.
I think I'm gonna leave because the millimeter basically does the same thing as that.
Totally in the dark here, friend.
That up here. Okay.
Actually, you know where we are?
They got bullets everywhere. They'll destroy the bullets, you think?
I don't know. They were down from on top of that thing down there.
If you're up.
Here, if I need to hold something.
Federal fund. What'd you do? We should.
I'll just take off the one that's on there.
Where's your key?
Yeah.
Hey, yo.
Just
a love here waiting.
and he.
Jennifer, is that you?
They did a good job.
They really did. I kind of thought this was going to be like a backwoods regiment.
Jennifer,
Yeah.
would that be
You
you?
know, plywood and spray paint, but
Yeah. How's our girls' voice? That's good job.
I think it's probably better than
Everloop.
service.
well, they don't have any.
Coming in.
Jennifer!
Black.
She ain't answering me.
Funding.
It's like a girl gasping for breath.
All insane. Forking some of. Federal. Everyone.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's not going to turn that way.
Everyone has.
Hey, can you go through here?
Lights up.
Lights off, yeah. I think that's a common theme around here. That's just my flashlights. In my pocket. Well, not my flashlights, but three flashlights in my pocket.
Real time.
Cracks.
Yeah. turn all this on.
Yes, sir.
Oh, just weave it through here?
Who cut my radio off? Well, my phone off while ago.
Like here,
Okay, there's a light.
like that.
This is probably the spot I just got. That's the hallway.
Emma.
Emma? Is that your name, Emma? Is that who's in here with me? Emma?
Turn that light off.
Turn it off.
Yeah. Oh, my flashlight's dead. Yeah. This is
Turn this one back on.
Oh, wait, it is working. So why is it not? Turn it back off. See?
Well, Emma, I'm Dave.
But it's not catching it.
I don't think Jennifer got my Betty Ford joke a while ago. I said beer and Betty Ford. No, she's been alcoholic. I guess that's just a bad joke. Anyways,
See?
Emma,
It's not doing it that way.
you down here with me?
I don't know why this is like that.
Anybody down here with me? So I'm over here where them voices at a while ago.
The mic can stick.
I ain't seen it. Put the little two. Now it's going to get dark as well.
Excuse me.
Well, I'm sorry. You beside me? Excuse me, I'm sorry. Just come through here.
The mic can be able to.
Oh, this must be the Alice in Wonderland
Yeah,
room.
it'll just stick up.
Now, there's no power here, so that's a spike. So you're in here with me. There's no, and this is above my head. You say, excuse me, and you just spike. And I don't see no power. There you go again. It's a big spike, too. Well, I do hear some motoring above me. Well, it just cut off. As soon as I said that, it cuts off.
Yeah, it is from another perspective. What happens if anything follows him? Mystery.
Still don't know if it was Jennifer who said those voices. I asked her when I see her.
To your right.
To my right?
Not
Okay.
exactly.
To my right, not exactly.
Will it
Is
lean
that the
back?
spirit the girl I heard a while ago, or are you talking about Jennifer?
That's good.
Well,
You don't need to be perfect.
if you're looking at me, it must be on your right, because I just turned left.
That should be good, yeah.
Should we move it back here?
Should be good, yeah.
Should we move it back
See if it
here?
picks up on something coming
That's
up.
more. Or hey, what if you did an angle at the corner right there?
Like that.
Okay, now I turn to my right.
Yeah.
Like that.
Or maybe, I mean, I don't know. What do you think?
It'd be kind of neat just to see if it catches even a noise, you know?
Yeah.
It'd be kind of neat just to see if it catches video, but a noise.
Yeah.
Not necessarily. Now, time to investigate.
that's all right.
I'll turn this off.
What's
Yeah,
it
because I
doing?
can
Can
see
we leave all this on for now?
nothing.
Okay. No, I meant the thermal stuff, everything. This, that, and that.
It's impossible.
This already tells me the temperature.
What's impossible?
I gotcha.
Let's go find Mr. Dave. So if you use this and you want to take a picture, you just do the trigger. If you use this and you want to take a picture, you just do the trigger.
Oh, okay. That's cool. So now how did, does
Yeah,
this,
so
if
it
it just
tells the
goes up
temperature
any,
and then reads EMF. Yeah, so it tells the temperature and then reads EMF. Anything over
and what's the
0.2.
high EMF?
I got a question.
Just
How long y'all been down here?
Just now.
So you have any of them rooms up there?
We just now left it.
Well, let's get recorded in, because I was in the room. I thought I heard y'all. I said, Jennifer, it was all recorded. I said, Jennifer, is that you?
We were way down there.
Doesn't answer me
Unless it
back.
echoed.
We were way down there.
Unless
I
it
got
echoed.
recorded. Let something block it. It seemed like somebody was like
Really?
out of breath.
Really?
Well, I got recorded. I said, Jennifer, you hear me say Jennifer?
I didn't hear you
Jennifer.
Oh, we didn't hear
I
them.
didn't hear anything.
I didn't hear you talking at all.
That's dope.
What room I went
Yeah,
into?
your body cam got it.
That's dope. That's cool. Yeah, and your body cam got it.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Then I heard the name Emma.
Emma.
Ed and Emma.